Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee. I request the student to note the problem in your notebook before you proceed and see the playlist section of the channel to see the earlier videos that I have uploaded. Today we will learn the operating costing. This operating costing is applicable in service sector organization like school, hospitals, hotels, transport.
A company owns a number of taxis and the following information is available from the records maintained by the company. Number of taxis 10, cost of each taxi 20,000, salary of manager rupees 600 per month, salary of accountant rupees 500 per month, salary of cleaner rupees 200 per month, salary of mechanic rupees 400 per month, garage rent rupees 600 per month, insurance premium 5% per annum, annual tax rupees 600 per taxi, driver's salary rupees 200 per month per taxi, annual repair rupees 1000 per taxi. Total service life of a taxi is about 2 lakh kilometer. A taxi runs in all 3000 kilometer in a month, of which 30% it runs empty. Petrol consumption is 1 liter for 10 km at rupees 2 per liter. Oil and other sundries are rupees 5 per 100 km. Calculate the cost of running a taxi per kilometer. So let me start the statement of operating cost. Okay, so the first item will be depreciation. So there are 10 cars, so I am writing here it's 10. What is the cost of each car? This is 20,000 rupees. So each car will run for 2 lakh kilometer. So divided by 2 lakh, and per month one car is running 3000 kilometer. So this is kilometer, this is kilometer, this is rupees, and this is 10 number. So the amount will be 3000 per month. So this is cost per month. Cost per month. Next is salary of manager. Salary of manager. This is 600 per month. Next is salary of accountant. This is 500 rupees. Next is salary of cleaner. This is 200 rupees. Next is salary of mechanic. This is 400. All these figures are given in your question. Garage rent 600 per month. Next is insurance. This is 5% of cost. So cost is 20,000 rupees. And this is for 1 year. So what is the monthly cost? I divide it by 12. And how many cars are there? 20. So this is 5%. This is cost of each car. So this is the insurance cost per year is 5%. So I divide it by 12 to get the monthly insurance cost into 10. That is the number of car. So this is 833.33. Next is tax. So 600 rupees is annual tax. So monthly tax I divide it by 12. That is rupees 50. And how many cars are there? 10. So this will be 500. So 600 is the annual tax. So divide it by 12 to get the monthly tax into number of cars. So this is for 1 car is 50. For 10 car this is 500. Next is driver's salary. What is the cost salary of driver? 200 per taxi. So there are 10 taxi. So 2000 rupees. Next is repair. annual repair is 1000 rupees. So monthly repair divided by 12, and for how many cars? 10 cars. So this is also 833.33. Next is cost of petrol. So cost of petrol. So one car is running for 300 kilometer, so 3000 kilometer, 3000, and there are 10 cars, so 3000 into 10, and the cost of petrol per liter is 2, and 1 liter of petrol will a car will run for 10 kilometer. So this is mileage. So this is mileage. So 3000 kilometer, these are 10 in number of taxis is 10, and this is the mileage, rupees 2 is the cost for 10 kilometer of run. So this is monthly cost of petrol is 6000. Next item is cost of sundries. Cost of sundries. Similarly, so there are 3000 kilometer, one taxi is running. So there are number of taxis is 10, and this rate is rupees 5 per 100 kilometer. So this is 3000 kilometer, one car is running. So there are 10 cars or 10 taxis, and the cost of sundry is rupees 5 per 100 kilometer. So this is 1500. So total monthly cost of 10 taxi is 16,966.66. So I present this cost in one sheet. So depreciation, salary of manager, salary of accountant 3000, 600, 500, 200, salary of mechanic 400, garage rent 600, insurance 833.33, tax 500, driver salary 2000, repair 8000, 833.33, then cost of petrol is 6000, and cost of sundries is 1500. So total monthly cost of operation or running 10 taxis is 16,966.66. Now effective kilometer. Effective kilometer is 3000 kilometer is run by one taxi. So there are 10 taxis, so 30,000 kilometer. All the taxis will be running per month, and 30% remains vacant. So 70% is occupied. So your effective kilometer is 21,000 kilometer. So therefore cost per effective kilometer is equal to rupees 16,966.66 by 21,000 kilometer. So this will give you rupee 0.808 per kilometer.
Hope you have understood the problem, and I request to subscribe the channel to get regular updates. Thank you.